Hi, welcome to my presentation on understanding dyslexia.
Most people have no problem reading this. But now try reading it again. It takes a while, doesn't it? Frustrating, isn't it? This is what some people with dyslexia see. So, what exactly is dyslexia? Well, it's a learning difference that affects the way individuals read, write, spell, and process written language. Those with dyslexia experience laborious effort each time they decode a word. In this presentation, I will be sharing the common signs and symptoms of dyslexia, myths of dyslexia, and famous people with dyslexia. What are the common signs and symptoms of dyslexia? One symptom is the difficulty in reading. Students need to reread the materials repeatedly in order to understand the meaning. Very often, a lot of effort goes into reading and the information is not comprehended. Next symptom is the difficulty in spelling. Students find it difficult to separate sounds in word and blending sounds to make words. Listening becomes very effortful. Background noise can be distracting. Due to this challenge in hearing sounds, student gets confused with words that look alike. They may mix up words or letters. Some examples are saw and was, on and no, thought and though, tired and tried. The other symptom is the difficulty in writing. Students face challenges getting their ideas on paper. They struggle to find the right words, organize their ideas, and write paragraphs or essays. Another symptom is difficulty in learning mathematics. Students get confused with similar-looking mathematical signs such as plus and minus, less than, and greater than. They may transpose numbers like 752 for 572 or transcribe their answers wrongly. Solving mathematical word problems and learning higher-order math concepts like algebra can be demanding. One more symptom is working memory challenges. Students may learn how to do something but require frequent reminders before they remember to do it. Remembering multiple step instructions can be taxing for them. Memorizing formulae is also challenging. These are some of the common signs and symptoms of dyslexia. There are also many myths and misconceptions about dyslexia. I will share 3 of them. The first myth is dyslexia is rare. This is not true. In fact, dyslexia is a hidden learning need. That affects around 10% of the student population. Of that, 4% will have dyslexia severe enough to warrant intervention. The second myth is that reversing letters is a good indication of dyslexia. The fact is, dyslexia is not all about letter reversals. It is not a vision problem. Students with dyslexia see the words the same way as those without dyslexia. The difference is students with dyslexia decode the words differently. The third myth is, I have dyslexia so I am not smart. In fact, repeated studies have shown that dyslexia and intelligence is not linked. In summary, these are just 3 of the many myths about dyslexia. There are many people who possess some of the greatest minds and talents, and they are dyslexic. Some of them include Bill Gates, Albert Einstein, our late minister mentor Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, Tom Cruise, Walt Disney, and Steven Spielberg. This video has covered what is dyslexia, signs and symptoms of dyslexia, myths about dyslexia, as well as some famous people with dyslexia. I hope you are now more aware of this learning need. Let's be more understanding towards our friends who learn differently and may need our support.